Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of Frank Lloyd Wright's masterpieces, the Herbert Jacobs House, also known as Jacobs 1. Designed in 1936, this house stands as a testament to Wright's vision for affordable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing architecture. Let's explore its design, interiors, and the architectural innovations that make it unique. Frank Lloyd Wright began his career in 1887, evolving from a draftsman to a leading designer of the prairie style by the early 1900s. His designs aimed to harmonize with the American Midwest landscape, moving away from traditional European styles. The Herbert Jacobs House, however, marks a significant shift in his architectural journey. Usonia, a term Wright coined from United States of North America, represents his vision for an affordable, uniquely American architecture. This vision materialized in the Jacobs House, which embodies simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection to its environment. Frank Lloyd Wright's Usonian vision emerged during the Great Depression when there was a significant demand for affordable housing. Wright sought to create homes that were not only economical, but also reflected the democratic ideals of the United States. He aimed to design houses that were accessible to the average American family, moving away from the opulence that characterized many of his earlier works. The Usonian houses, including the Jacobs House, are characterized by their modest size, efficient use of space, and minimalist aesthetic. Wright believed that a home should be a sanctuary, intimately connected to its surroundings. This philosophy is evident in the Jacobs House, where the design emphasizes simplicity and functionality without sacrificing beauty. The Jacobs House, like other Usonian homes, features an open floor plan that fosters a sense of unity and openness. The integration of the living room, dining area, and kitchen into a single, flowing space reflects Wright's belief in creating functional, flexible living environments. This open concept was revolutionary at the time and has since become a staple in modern home design. Wright's Usonian vision also prioritized the use of natural materials to create a harmonious relationship between the house and its environment. In the Jacobs House, you'll find an extensive use of wood, brick, and glass. These materials not only provide a connection to nature, but also offer durability and cost-effectiveness. The large windows and glass doors bring the outside in, enhancing the feeling of living in harmony with nature. The Jacobs House is an L-shaped, single-story structure with a total area of 1,550 square feet. It's laid out on a grid of 2 by 4 foot units. The design places the living room in one wing and the bedrooms in the other, with a carport replacing the traditional garage. Entering the house through the carport, you're greeted by a hidden entrance leading to the spacious living room. This open floor plan integrates the living, dining, and kitchen areas, fostering a sense of openness and fluidity. The living room features a cozy reading nook with a built-in writing table and a wall of bookshelves. The large windows and glass doors flood the space with natural light, connecting the interior to the outdoor garden. The dining area, connected to the living room, includes a long oak table designed by Wright and chairs from around 1920. Concealed lamps above the table and track lighting along the gallery provide subtle illumination. The kitchen, referred to by Wright as the workspace, is open to the dining and living areas, making it a central hub for family activities. The adjacent bathroom is conveniently placed to conserve plumbing. The house's construction is both innovative and cost-effective. The foundation consists of a concrete slab with steam heating pipes laid in a sand base beneath it. This radiant heating system circulates water through the 8-inch concrete floor slab, providing efficient warmth. The walls are a sandwich construction of 2 1/4-inch thick plywood with building paper for insulation and waterproofing. These walls, interspersed with red brick piers, support the flat, laminated roof. One of Wright's core principles was designing buildings that harmonize with their surroundings. The Jacobs House exemplifies this with its extensive use of natural materials like wood and brick, and its integration with the garden. The flat roof and horizontal lines enhance this connection, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The Herbert Jacobs House is not just an architectural gem, it's a historical landmark. It served as a prototype for Wright's Usonian homes and influenced the design of post-war American suburban houses. Its innovative layout and construction methods reflect Wright's commitment to making beautiful, functional homes accessible to the average American family. Entering to the detail, the Herbert Jacobs House features an L-shaped floor plan that maximizes spatial efficiency and connection with the natural environment. This floor plan is crucial for understanding how Wright approached the design of accessible and functional homes within his Usonian vision. The house is organized into two main wings. One wing houses the public areas, and the other contains the private areas. This design not only optimizes the use of space, but also provides a clear separation between social and private activities. The public wing of the house includes the living room and dining area, integrated into an open and fluid space. This open layout allows for greater flexibility in the use of space and promotes social interaction. The living room features a cozy reading nook with a built-in writing table and a long wall of built-in bookshelves. This area is not only functional but also serves as a quiet corner for study and reading. The living room extends into the dining area, which is adjacent to the kitchen, referred to as the workspace by Wright. This open space creates a sense of expansiveness and facilitates the circulation of air and natural light. The kitchen, or workspace, is open to the dining area and living room, making it a central hub of activity. Wright designed this area to be practical and efficient, with direct access to the dining area to ease the transition from culinary activities to meals. The private wing of the house contains two bedrooms, a small workshop, and a study. This layout ensures the privacy and tranquility needed for rest and concentrated work. Each bedroom is designed to maximize space and functionality, with strategically placed windows to take advantage of natural light and offer views of the outdoors. The workshop and study provide additional spaces for creative and professional activities, highlighting the house's versatility. Frank Lloyd Wright's Herbert Jacobs House, as the Usonian house's concept, masterfully balances transparency towards the private garden and privacy towards the street, reflecting Wright's design philosophy of harmonizing openness and seclusion. The street-facing side of the house ensures maximum privacy through minimal windows. High, narrow windows limit visibility into the home while allowing natural light. Solid materials. Brick and horizontal pine and redwood boards create an opaque facade. Landscaping. Natural elements such as elevation and shrubbery provide additional privacy. In opposite, the interior side of the L-shaped house opens up to the private garden with large windows and glass doors. These create a seamless connection between the interior and the garden. Open floor plan. The fluid transition between living spaces and the garden blurs indoor and outdoor boundaries. Outdoor living spaces. Patios and terraces extend the living area into the garden. The Herbert Jacobs House is not just an architectural gem, it's a historical landmark. It served as a prototype for Wright's Usonian homes and influenced the design of post-war American suburban houses. Its innovative layout and construction methods reflect Wright's commitment to making beautiful, functional homes accessible to the average American family. In summary, the Herbert Jacobs House is a remarkable example of Frank Lloyd Wright's ingenuity and vision. Its design and construction techniques were groundbreaking at the time and continue to inspire architects today. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Wright's most significant works. Stay tuned for more architectural explorations on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.